Hello Click Designers! Today I'm going to show you how to use ClickDesigns on WordPress Thrive themes. The first thing that you need to do is log into your dashboard and then click on this Install WP plugin button. Then you will be redirected to a page that looks like this, which will allow you to install the WordPress plugin of ClickDesigns. Click on this download button right here, which will download the ClickDesigns plugin into your local drive. Right after that, log into your WordPress site and then click on Plugins and then click on Add New. After clicking on Add New, click on Upload Plugin. Choose the zip file that you've downloaded from your local drive, which is the ClickDesigns plugin. Right after that, click on Install Now. Once you've installed the ClickDesigns plugin, be sure to activate the plugin by clicking on Plugins and clicking on Activate under ClickDesigns. Right after that, click on this ClickDesigns pane right here on the left. Once you've clicked that, copy and paste your API key here on the space below. To get your API key, log into your dashboard, click on your profile, then click on Settings. Then click on API key. Once you've copied your API key, go back to WordPress and then click on the ClickDesigns plugin tab. Then click on the Do you have an API key button. Right after that, paste your API key, then click on Submit. Once your ClickDesigns plugin has been activated, you are now ready to use it with your Thrive Themes pages. To start off, click on Pages here on the left. Right after that, select a page that you would like to edit. You can either select the page or add a new page. In this case, I will be selecting a new page and then I will click on Edit. After that, I'm going to click on this button right here called Launch Thrive Architect. Now that this page has loaded, I'm now going to add some images. I'm going to hover over the right side. I'm going to click on this plus icon right here and then click on Add Element. Then I'm going to click on this image element and then drag it here in the canvas. Now I have an image element. You will notice here on the left side, we have the ClickDesigns link. Click on that. Then you will see all your designs appearing. You have My Designs, you have your bundles, and then also you have your custom bundles. For this example, I am going to select a bundle design. So I'm going to click on the Bundles tab, and then I will choose a bundle that I would like to add on my page. All I have to do is click on Use. Once done, I will click on this Choose Image link right here. After that, under the Media Library tab, I'm going to filter all the media by images, so I could see all the pictures or graphics that I have, and then I'm going to click on the bundle that I've selected earlier from the ClickDesigns plugin. All I have to do is tick it and then click on Insert into Post. And now I have my ClickDesigns bundle added to my post. If I would like to add another one, all I have to do is click on the plus icon again, click on the image element and drag it here into the canvas. Click on the ClickDesigns link on the left and then select an image that I would like to add. And then I'm going to click on Use. I'm going to click on Choose Image, and then under the Media Library, I have here my ClickDesigns graphic. All I have to do is tick that again and then click on Insert to Post. If you would like to edit a design, you can also do that from Thrive Themes. What you're going to do is click on Add Element again and then click on an Image Element box, and then click on the ClickDesigns link on the left. Under My Designs, choose a design that you would like to edit. Hover over the design that you would like to make changes to and then click on Edit. It will automatically open a new tab into your ClickDesigns account where you can make changes and edit the design. All you have to do is click on Edit on the design and it will bring you into the editor so you can make changes here. Once I'm done making changes, all I have to do is click on Save and Exit and then click on Save, and then I'll click on Exit. Now I can go back to Thrive Themes on WordPress. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Use, and then I'm going to click on Choose Image. Then I'm going to filter the media. I can filter that by images. And now I can tick on that image, then click on Insert into Post. As you can see, the image that has been inserted is now the updated image that we made changes to on ClickDesigns. It's super easy to use the WordPress ClickDesigns plugin together with Thrive Themes. So go ahead, activate your WordPress plugin and use all your graphics along with Thrive Themes. Happy click designing!